I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A6 door panel. First, gather your tools, including Torx bits, a flathead screwdriver, and plastic trim removal tools. For safety, always disconnect the car's negative battery terminal before you begin. Next, carefully inspect the door panel for any visible screws or plastic caps that might be covering fasteners. Remove these initial screws to prepare for the next steps. Now let's focus on the door handle and surrounding trim. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the interior door handle trim cover. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once the trim is off, you'll find screws hidden underneath. Remove these. Then, carefully unclip the window switch panel. You might need to use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to release its clips. With the screws and trim pieces removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear clips releasing as you go. Work your way around the entire perimeter, gently releasing all the clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. You're almost done. With the panel lifted, you'll see several electrical connectors for components like speakers, lights, and mirrors. Carefully disconnect each of these. Also, unclip the door lock cable and the interior door handle release cable from their respective mechanisms. Once all wires and cables are detached, the door panel is completely free. Carefully set it aside in a safe place to avoid any damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.